Meanwhile, in Jone, Soviet Jone, New York City College of Technology research aide, yesterday college with computer engineering web design. Since computer repair $30 pays well to buying $99. Welcome to New York City. Big City Korean Jones Yellow Pages Superstar VPX.com City Story in New York 1995 only speaks English high school and most more young computer college and college. Tim has computer repair jobs more than 10 years. Post-Clemson computer engineering degree. My iPhone, my Facebook family, my Lamborghini car. Colorado, New York, my first $1 million. So hard to make it. My name is Tim. I'm American. I love New York City. Big City, Korean Jones, Yellow Pages, Superstar, www.bkx.com. Location. BK Appleton to Canada, Toronto. Toronto is big city, very close to New York City. Just 3 hours bus New York to Toronto. It is only speak English city. I like Toronto City. Toronto Strip 411. CN Tower. Niagara Falls Day Tour from Toronto. Honeymoons and family vacations. I am from New York City. I like Toronto. My name is Tim. Tim is American. Things to do in New York City. Toronto Smith 411. Welcome to Toronto Vacation. VKX.com. Chrystie 10. Toronto also has fireworks. Toronto Smith 411. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city. The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high concrete communications located in the downtown core of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Built on the former railway land, it was completed in 1976. Its name, CN, originally referred to Canadian National, the railway company that built the tower. CN Tower is Canada Nation Tower. The Toronto only speak English. Welcome to Canada, Toronto. Toronto is Trip City, very close New York City. Just 3 hours bus New York to Toronto. It is only speak English city. I like Toronto City. Toronto Smith 411. CN Tower. Niagara Falls Day Tour from Toronto. Honeymoons and family vacations. I am come from New York City. I like Toronto. My name is Tim. Tim is American. Things to do in New York City. Toronto Smith 411. Welcome to Toronto Vacation. VKX.com. Chrystie 10. Toronto also has fireworks. Toronto Smith 411. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city. The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high concrete communications located in the downtown core of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Built on the former railway land, it was completed in 1976. Its name, CN, originally referred to Canadian National, the railway company that built the tower. CN Tower is Canada Nation Tower. The Toronto only speak English. Welcome to Canada, Toronto. Toronto is Trip City, very close New York City. Just 3 hours bus New York to Toronto. It is only speak English city. I like Toronto City. Toronto Smith 411. CN Tower. Niagara Falls Day Tour from Toronto. Honeymoons and family vacations. I am come from New York City. I like Toronto. My name is Tim. Tim is American. Things to do in New York City. Toronto Smith 411. Welcome to Toronto Vacation. VKX.com. Chrystie 10. Toronto also has fireworks. Toronto Smith 411. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city. The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high concrete communications located in the downtown